Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Art Whisper 88. On your screen you will see a recent order from one of my favorite vendors, Blick Art Supplies. Their website is called dickblick.com, and this is a shipment of new paint suggested by a viewer. Thank you, Linda, for suggesting this brand. This is Amsterdam. I have never tried this brand before, and I hear it is a good, high-quality brand. And it's made in the Netherlands. It's 120 milliliters or 4.1 fluid ounces. And I'm quite excited to try this. So here is ultramarine violet. This is manganese blue. This is grayish blue. I noticed their color range is very different. This is king's blue. In a way, the color range is wider. This is called Caput Mortem Violet. This is like a mauve color. Here is Naphthol Red Deep. Here's another red. This is Carmine. Now here's a metallic color that I wanted to try upon suggestion from a viewer. This is copper. This is another metallic, deep gold. This is Azo Yellow Light. It's another yellow. This is Azo Yellow Deep. Azo Orange. I'm always running low on orange because I use it a lot. Here's another orange. This is Naphthol Red Light. Brilliant Green. Brilliant Blue. Cobalt Blue. And the last tube, another metallic, is called Graphite. It's this beautiful silvery pewter color, which I'm sure would make a nice effect on the prints. So anyway, I'm going to arrange these . And here on the side are the metallics. So as you can see, it's quite a haul of paints. And I will be using these in my next video. It's a special video with acetate stencils, and I will report to you on the quality and the feel of it. And again, thank you, Linda, for suggesting Amsterdam. I priced these out compared to Artist Loft, and surprisingly, these are not much more. These are like $1 more. Artist Loft costs about roughly $4.75 a tube. These are more like comes out to like $5.50 a tube. So it's about $1 more. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope to see you next time.